All right, there's two things I think you should know about this livestock and pet clippers. First off is they're really, really heavy duty. So if you're looking for a light job, something like that, don't get these. These are for much bigger dogs, much bigger animals. They also talk in the instruction manual about using it for horses and pigs. So there is a bit of weight to them. Just know that. So when you've got a long job to do, they do get a little bit heavy, but they come with, the heaviness comes with a heavy duty ability to really cut pets' hair well. We have a big poodle mixed dog, and it's really hard to cut her fur and hair with something that isn't this big. So it's worth it to have the weight to be able to cut her hair. Also, it comes with a really long cord. So this cord is about 18 feet long, which means you don't have to be right next to an outlet for where you're cutting. Also, you can tighten the tension on the unit here. So if it's not cutting exactly the way you want it to cut, you can tighten the tension up a little bit and get a little bit of a better cut out of it. There's an air filter on this thing. I haven't explored the air filter yet, but because it's such a big motor, it has an air intake and a fan that puts it out because it can get overheated. So on the back here, you can just clear out the air filters right here by unscrewing them. It comes with a multi-tool. So with that screwdriver, you could just open up the air filter, take it out, clean it up, and then put it back in. It is variable speed. So you have the variable speed right here. It's 1 to 6. So it'll slow the clippers down if you're going slower, and it'll speed them up so that you can clip a little bit faster. If the hair's a little bit thicker, you want to go slower. If the hair's a little bit thinner and easy to get through, you want to go a little bit faster. They are loud. I'm going to turn them on just for a second so you can hear the sound. Come a little bit closer. You can come up on my hands. So here's the sound, just so you know what it sounds like. So if you have an animal that gets spooked or anything like that by loud noises, you want to consider the sound that comes from this. It also comes with a bottle of oil so that you can oil the blades. You want to oil the blades regularly before and after every use, just so that they stay sharp and stay less friction in the blades. It comes with this nice little guard here that you can keep on the clippers when you're not using it to keep the blades nice. And then it also comes with 3 levels of guards here. So if you don't want to go straight to the skin, you have these 3 different levels of guards. They don't actually have measurements on them as far as I can see, but you have those options for guards. It has a cleaning brush that comes with it as well. And then it has this nice case that comes with it that you can keep everything together. Everything has its spot so you don't lose all these little pieces. And that's about it. I hope you like it as much as we do.